Hi, I'm Steve from PC Paramedics. Today I'd like to discuss a problem that is quite prevalent out there, and that's fake antivirus programs that come into your computer when you visit a perfectly normal website and download some Trojan code without realizing it. All of a sudden on your screen pops up a message saying that you've been infected and asking you to go to a website to download some removal tools. This is where you need to be very, very cautious. Most of the time, those website messages are part of the Trojan itself, and they're trying to get you to go to a website and hand over typically $45 of your hard-earned cash, and you'll receive nothing in return. There is a way of removing the virus, but it's something you've got to do yourself, and it's quite laborious. If you're not confident with code, I strongly suggest you take your PC as quickly as possible to your local repair shop. But if you are confident in modifying Windows code and certainly working with Windows Registry, there are a number of removal tools freely available on the internet. Removal tools or removal instructions. And I'd like to take you through one right now. Simplest thing to do is just to Google the name of the Trojan that you've got, and it will take you to a number of removal tools. Go through those removal tools until you feel confident you've found one that you're comfortable using. I'd like to use dear old Deirdre, my colleague Danny's PC, to show you what I mean. First thing we're going to do is Google IE Antivirus or XP Police Antivirus, and back will come a return of a number of things that could be potential removal tools to use. I've chosen one here. It says Remove IE Antivirus. By clicking on that, it brings me up to a site, Spyware Remove, and gives me a guide for removing the IE Antivirus or the XP Police Antivirus, which are broadly one and the same. First thing it shows you is a picture of what you're probably seeing on your PC screen, and then gives you a description of what the virus is. And as I've said, it will probably take you to a site and try and relieve you of $45 US. Follow down through the site's messages and you'll begin to get to the removal instructions. And as you can see, they can be quite complicated. But within 3 steps, you're already editing the registry of your PC. Not something to do unless you're totally confident with it. If you're confident, follow the instructions specifically. And as you can see by scrolling up and down, you see a number of instructions that have to be changed. So far we've got to 6 steps. In the final step, we have to remove some of the components that the virus has installed itself. Once you've done so, reboot the PC and you should be clean and free to go. But we would always recommend using a good antivirus program that will prevent this in the first place.